How to recover Gmail account, regain access without phone number and recovery email. Hi guys, in this video we will be showing you how we can do so. So let's just get started. First of all, you can head over to Google's recovery page. This one right here, support.google.com, and you may scroll down from given options and you will be finding option of this recover Google account. So you can follow up these steps, or you can look out for this link right here, which is recover account. So look out for this link, recover your account, and you will be taken to another page. So head over. So first of all, you may just try using your credentials. So if you do not want to use your phone number or recovery email, you can try using the email that is right now, the account that you're trying to recover. Just go ahead and enter your credentials, and once you do so, there you will be asked for your old password. Enter the last one you remember. If you do, just go ahead and type it in there, and the more details you give, the higher chance Google will verify that it is you. So there are different options. You can just go ahead and type your password and look out for try another way. If you do not want that, you can simply go ahead and then look out for the section of try another way. Just go ahead and look out for that. And then you can just go ahead and look out for your recovery email. If you do not want this email to be your recovery email, you can just go and delete it, edit it out, and add another recovery phone or email so that that does not happen again. So just go ahead and do so. After that, you need to answer all security questions. Also, just go ahead and do so, fill up the form, and provide as much as accurate info as possible. Creation date, all passwords and devices, and that should help you update your recovery email and help you get your account back. If not, you can try going ahead and contact the Google Assistance, the Google support directly, and they should also help you. But for now, you may follow up the steps, and if this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you need more help, and we will be seeing you next time.